Both of our fathers are building contractors, so we're very familiar with having construction around.
Justin and Brandy built their home while pregnant with their first son, Harrison.
In hindsight, maybe we should have taken a little bit more time and planned it out more.
We built this house custom, and it worked for us 11 years ago. It is no longer working.
After having their son, Davis, Brandy feels they don't have the time to create the perfect home.
We need someone to come in here and redesign this house, maximize the space in it.
I definitely think it's time to move on.
Sometimes when you move places, you don't know what you're going to get.
But we could always buy new. Our kitchen is just dated. We have no countertop space, as you can see. The seating's terrible. There's no storage. A lot of times we're here and we can't see the kids at all.
We're going to get both of us the extra space. We have the room to move some things around to accomplish that.
It's literally a one-man kitchen.
It is a one-man kitchen because I'm usually the only man usually in there cooking. So.
Okay, that's fair. So the dining room, the living room, the sunroom, very closed in, it's not comfortable. So it's just not a great family space.
The setup's not ideal right now, but it is time to go ahead and make those changes to make it like we want it, a larger area, a more open area.
There's stuff everywhere. It has become Toyland. Sports stuff, toys.
I think there's some room to grow with our organizational skills, to be quite honest.
You're the one who wants to leave.
Yes.
And why are you so sure you want to leave after this is your custom dream home?
Several reasons. So one, the road noise.
I mean, I can't change the freeway. Apart from that. Everything else I'm sure I can. What have you got?
I want to open up and renovate the kitchen, improve the dining room, create 2 quieter and larger bedrooms for the boys, create a guest space on the first floor for my mom, improve my office with more storage, and create a mudroom area. That's a big miss in this house.
What's my budget?
$145,000.
I think that's doable.
Maybe. I've done an evaluation on your home.
Okay.
All right, current value as it stands is $580,000.
It's a little low, but it's close.
What do you need from me to get you out of this house?
An open concept kitchen and living room. I would like 4 bedrooms.
Okay.
With at least 1 on the main floor. We need more than 3 bathrooms. A private office for Brandy with lots of storage. A bonus room for the kids, and a quiet location. You know, maybe on a cul-de-sac or something like that.
Okay. What is the budget for the new house?
$750,000.
All right, that's the budget I'm gonna use.
All right, Brandy, so I want to talk to you about your office.
Okay.
It's a good size office. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it except it was set up oddly. I know you need more storage, so I'm thinking nice built-ins with doors on them.
Okay.
So we all agree that having the dining room here is just not a great idea.
We never use that room.
So we're going to integrate that into fantastic living space. But to do it properly, I want to get this wall out. And I need to know if you're okay with that fireplace being gone.
I think we would prefer the open space more than the fireplace.
I mean, it gets used at Christmas when we hang stockings.
Yeah.
That would be the only weird thing, I think. Where does Santa come?
He's never going to fit down there. He's going to get stuck. Okay, fireplace is gone. Now let's move on to the kitchen.
Okay.
Everything that you see here is going to be gone. And it's going to be bigger because I'm going to finish the stairs that come into the second floor from the garage. And I am going to push the kitchen all the way to that back wall and eliminate those stairs.
Wow, okay.
Wow.
This will all be pushed out. We're going to completely redesign this so it's not cut off the way it is right now. What that leaves is guest room and children's rooms. We've got the 2 existing bedrooms for the boys. My idea is that one of them would be absolutely dedicated as a bedroom for your mum, and then the other room could be like a sitting area. You can decide.
We did talk about moving all the gym equipment.
Oh, well, that's a nice idea.
We can do that.
Yeah.
So that brings me to the boys. So let's go upstairs and look at that.
Do you want to go that way and practice?
You go that way.
They are steep.
And we'll go this way.
You go
Do you
that
want me to
way.
go this way?
Yeah. On your marks. Get set. No cheating.
I'm here.
Go.
We can beat him.
Okay.
I think my way's just quicker.
I think you cheated.
I do too.
You cheated?
He totally cheated.
How can you cheat? Anyway, we're up here. So we have all of this space here. Bedroom number 1 is there.
Okay.
Bedroom number 2 is going to be right here because I need the window.
So we'd lose space in here?
This is our hangout room.
That's the way your mother gets a main floor guest And that's the way the children have bedrooms that are away from the noise of the traffic. And there isn't really any other way.
You will have people in here watching, watching TV, gathering in here, and all that kind of stuff.
They do a lot of yelling at the TV when they watch sports.
You've raised a point that I have to address. There's no question. I'm not sure how to address it.
My concern is spending so much money on this house. I just hear a lot of dollar signs.
Can you stay within the budget?
We'll see.
I thought a lot of the designs were pretty neat.
It all sounds great, it always does.
I actually was feeling so great downstairs. Everything that I wanted to do, they loved.
I mean, if she could pull off all of that stuff within budget, I just don't see how in the heck she's gonna do it.
Well, that makes two of us.
I think this could be a problem.
David is hoping to avoid problems as he sees that his first house can compete with Justin and Brandy's.
This house today does have an extra 1,000 square feet over theirs. It's got 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 2 bonus spaces. Beautiful open concept. It's got a private office on the main floor. Nice location, albeit 30 minutes from their house. I'm not 100% sure about that, but we'll see what they think. Just want you to be quiet for a second. I just want you to listen.
You're hitting it out of the park. We haven't even gone inside yet.
I know.
Wow. So far, so good.
This would be your office.
The ceiling's nice, but this is a lot smaller than your current office.
Absolutely.
Now, the dining room.
Oh, this is pretty.
It's a little closed off.
Your massive furniture would fit in this space perfectly.
Agree.
True.
Nice.
Keep going.
Okay.
Over here, the main area. That gives you the open concept that you want.
Oh, I'm not too crazy about these countertops. I don't like the look of them, the colors.
Bedroom 1, and this is the only bedroom on the main floor. So this is going to be for your mother.
So no first floor master.
No first floor master. You want a first floor master?
I really want a first floor master.
Really? Oh, so then you want 2 bedrooms on the main floor.
Because we have that now.
Framing is happening for the new bedroom, soundproofing to solve the noise issues.
Yeah, we're gonna fill all the bays. Super.
A new beam is now holding up the ceiling in the kitchen. And Hilary is plotting out a new mudroom.
So you want to extend it down here
I
somewhere?
think where else?
Yeah.
Plenty of room. Boom, drop,
So that you can-
go.
Meanwhile, David is plotting a new property.
All right, we are 10 minutes from Brandy and Justin's house. The house is 3,600 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, it's got 4 bathrooms, it's got a beautiful open concept kitchen they should love. It's got a master bedroom on the main floor. It's got the double bonus room. More importantly, it's not on a major highway, so it's nice and quiet.
Did not know any of this existed.
These homes are all built sort of in 2017, and it's a nice court, so the kids can be playing out here. You don't have to worry about it. Any complaints?
Not yet.
Awesome. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my God, this is gorgeous.
So far, so good. It's very inviting.
If you guys feel like you don't need a formal dining room, this could be your office space. There's only 4 bedrooms in this house.
But we do have to have an office somewhere, so yeah.
Right. So the main area, it's about as open as it can get.
Wow, this is beautiful.
This is awesome.
I love this. This is gorgeous.
Have a look.
Gorgeous. Love the countertops.
I love
range.
the kitchen layout, everything about it.
If this was your only eating area, would you be okay with that?
I mean, it's definitely doable for the 4 of us. Sometimes we'd have
I mean, you
8,
can
but we
utilize
can
the bar
always
when you
utilize
have
that bar
others
space.
come over.
Yeah. So, you've got the screened-in porch.
This is really nice.
This is a great space, nice and quiet. I could spend a lot of time out here.
Just tell Hilary that.
Great
Next time you see
job.
her.
Great job.
We're heading right this way.
Okay.
Mudroom storage, which is great, right off the garage, so kids come in, take their shoes off.
That's great.
Bedroom number 1.
That they have turned into an office. Yeah.
This is just staged,
Yeah.
but you've got a good guest room on the main floor, which
we
is
want.
what you wanted.
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
Your laundry room.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is great.
David, you've been holding out on us.
I know.
I know.
Finally come through,
Yeah.
just in the nick of time. Okay, let's have a look at this main floor master bedroom.
This is nice.
So I like the colors a little bit better than our current. It's nice.
Have a look at your master bath.
Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.
This is really nice.
Wow.
Let's see what fun stuff we've got up here.
Oh,
Okay.
So, kids' bedroom number 1 with its own bathroom.
That's great.
So these kids are not gonna have to share.
Plenty of space.
Kids' bathroom number 2. Okay.
Nice.
Which obviously leads to the bedroom.
Oh, wow, it's a good-sized room.
It's a much nicer space than what they have now.
This house is listed at $769,000.
No way.
Yes, it is. Just slightly over your budget.
This is definitely going to be a tough choice.